Hi, I'm Sasha Segan from PCMag.com, and do you have $2,000? If you do, here's the Galaxy Z Fold 2, the next generation of Samsung's folding phone. I'm here to unbox it, and let's take a look what's inside. As with all of my unboxing videos, I have not opened this box yet or set up the phone. You're seeing this for the first time as I see it for the first time. And now here's the luxury Z Fold 2. You slide the top of the box off and you see this design under it. It's a gatefold box with a bit of an introduction inside. Okay, let's take this panel off. And we have what I think is the safety information, I bet. We have a quick start guide and the SIM tool. And then we have the Z Fold 2 itself. Now, it's important to look at these instructions here because the ultra-thin glass on the Z Fold 2 screen is better than what was used on the original Galaxy Fold, but it's the same as what was used on the Galaxy Flip. In other words, you can't take it to the beach, sand might get in the hinge. You should not remove the screen protector. That was a big problem with the first Fold. And you should not try to scratch the screen. Let's take the protector off. And while we power this up, is there anything else in the box? It looks like yes. There's a USB cord, and a fast charging power adapter. Now, what I notice isn't in the box is there is strikingly no form of headphones. If you look at this phone, it does not have a standard headphone jack, so you do need to use USB-C or Bluetooth headphones. Now, one of the big changes here is this big front screen. The previous Fold had a 4.6-inch front screen. It was nowhere near this big or this usable. And then it opens up into a 7.6-inch screen. The hinge has also changed. You can see it's more closed and more secure than the original Fold hinge. And inside, it has little rubber brushes to hopefully try to get rid of sand and dirt as they gather in the hinge. Now, I'm going to be doing a lot more with this Z Fold 2, but I've got to go set it up now. So thanks for watching, and keep an eye on PCMag.com for more Z Fold 2 coverage.